This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza for Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. Today I'm going to try to give a short little opinion piece and a review of my usage of the DJI Pocket 2 and my desires, what I want in its upcoming iteration number 3 of the DJI Pocket, again number 3. So I have 3 ideas, 3 suggestions for what this camera should have. Again, a lot of folks out there in the YouTube landscape, these influencers get a camera every week. Sometimes it's a Sony, sometimes it's a Nikon, sometimes it's a Panasonic, sometimes it's a DJI product, etc., etc. And they do reviews and they say, oh my God, this is fantastic. And they highlight a lot of the features and try to get you excited to purchase it. So I'm not one of those persons. I buy something when something is actually good and improves my workflow. So I bought this because it improves my workflow. I can carry it anywhere I want. I can shoot video of infrastructure, vehicles, all kinds of people and events with this simple, pocketable, literally pocketable DJI Pocket number 2. So number 3 is about ready to come out. And what would I like in number 3? There's just simply 3 things I would like. Number 1, I would like it to be 10-bit. This is only 8-bit. I would like 10-bit. I have a computer, a MacBook Pro with the M chip, and it's a 16-inch model, and it definitely can edit quickly and efficiently 10-bit video, especially using DaVinci Resolve 18 and doing editing photographs in Photoshop, etc., etc. So I have the capacity to produce high-quality video and photography and audio, but I need a better camera that can actually take advantage of what my computer is capable of editing. Again, 8-bit is very nice. It's very nice. I shoot some good video, but I can imagine what I'll learn and experience and create with 10-bit, hopefully 422 video, and of course in photographs. The next thing I would like in photography is a nice 40 megapixel sensor, a little bit larger sensor, and the ability for that camera, this is something I would like to see, and I know the DJI gimbals offer this feature, and I have some DJI gimbals, and they can take a picture 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I can stitch them together later or in the camera and get some very high quality photographs. You can imagine what kind of photographs you can get if you have the gimbal already doing all the work for you. Again, I have that capacity with my Ronin gimbals and using them with my mirrorless cameras, but I would like to have it in this. Just put it on a tripod and it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 9, and I'm all set. That would be fantastic. Don't you think? That would be fantastic. Third, I would like a zoom lens. This is a little bit crazy, I know, a little bit of a zoom lens. I'm used to having a 24-70, 2.8 in my Nikons, Canons, and other cameras that I have in the past. And even for my current Lumix camera, I have a zoom. And I like zooms. I like the ability to go a bit wide to a bit telephoto and pick where I want to crop and maybe get a little bit closer, a little wider. For a certain landscape, I want wider. For a portrait, I want a little more telephoto, etc. I know this camera, I can just plop on a little wide angle, lens on there. It comes with my, Creator combo, but I don't need to go wider. I need to go a little bit tighter for certain situations, just in certain situations. So those are the 3 things I want for the next iteration of the DJI Pocket numero 3, okay? Again, just better video quality, 10-bit, 422 would be very, very nice. And of course, a larger sensor and the ability to do, montages, coalesce different photographs and make them into one big print with taking advantage of the fact that this camera comes with a gimbal. This has a gimbal, very nice. And third, I would like a bit of a telephoto lens. I already have the wide, just zoom a little bit. And I don't want a digital zoom, I want an actual optical zoom. If a phone can do it, why can't this do it? I would love to have a little bit of a zoom. And, even if, just press a button and just right here on the side, it goes zoom, zoom. Amazing. Amazing. So this is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza giving you my suggestions to the folks in China, at the DJI headquarters, what I would like for my next camera. I don't get a camera every couple days and I review them and I talk about them from Canon, Sony, Nikon, Olympus, Panasonic. The list goes on and on and on and on. I don't do that. I bought this. I would like to buy the next iteration. I would love it to be significantly better, not just a little bit better, significantly better. Can you do that for me, DJI? This is Jesús Manuel Mena Garza. Hope you're doing fantastic. What do you think of my ideas, my aspirations for the DJI brand? Leave them below. Abajo. Muchas gracias. Leave your kind and friendly comments and suggestions and ideas, professional ideas, below. Abajo. Muchas gracias. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And ring the bell for future notifications. Muchas gracias. Muchos gracias. From Fort Worth, Texas. Hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.